In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export an Asana project report to PDF. This simple yet valuable skill will allow you to share comprehensive project information with your team or stakeholders in a universally accessible format. So, let's get started and walk through the process step by step. First, the journey begins by navigating to the Asana project report dashboard that you wish to export. Make sure you're accessing the correct project report because this is where all your relevant tasks, deadlines, and updates are compiled, allowing you to keep track of project progress efficiently. Once you're certain you're in the right place, next, you will need to declutter the view for optimal focus. To do this, locate the hamburger menu icon at the top left corner of your screen. By clicking on this icon, you close the left panel, thereby expanding your workspace. This gives you a clearer view of your report, eliminating any potential distractions or unnecessary on-screen elements that might clutter your printout. With your workspace decluttered, it's time to set the stage for exporting. To do this, simply press Ctrl+P. This shortcut is designed to swiftly bring up the print settings, providing you with a preview of just what will be exported. The print preview is crucial as it allows you to review how the report will appear when saved as a PDF, ensuring every essential detail is in place. Now, in your print settings, the next important step is setting the destination to save as PDF. This step is pivotal because it tells your computer that instead of sending the document to an actual printer, you want to save it digitally in PDF format. Once you've set the print destination, customizing the size and layout of your PDF is next. You have the flexibility here to adjust these settings depending on your needs. Whether it's a standard A4 size or something more suited to your specific requirements, make sure everything is just the way you want it. When everything looks perfect, it's time for the final step. Click on the Save button. By doing this, your Asana report begins the export process, transforming from a digital report into a neatly formatted PDF file. And just like that, you've successfully exported your Asana project report, ready to be shared or archived as needed. This method is straightforward, but incredibly effective for ensuring your project data is preserved in a portable, easily accessible format. Thanks for following along, and enjoy using your newly exported PDF.